Hey everyone, appchasers.com. The Caleb and Sophia videos have been so awesome and encouraging to the friends, young and old alike. And many of the friends really enjoy downloading these videos for offline use on their iPhone or their iPad. We have in the past recommended that you can download these right into the app called Documents by Readle. However, many of the friends want to know, how can I play these videos in a continuous loop once they've been downloaded to my iPad? So that means basically when one video ends, the next one starts automatically, and it just keeps going in this way until you physically stop it yourself. So I want to show you today how to play the Caleb and Sophia videos in a continuous loop. If you already have some of the videos downloaded in your iPad using the Documents app, I'll show you how to send those videos over to the app that we're going to use to play them continuously. And I'll also show you how to just download them right from the get-go into this new app, which is called VLC for iOS. So I'm going to switch over here to VLC for iOS. I've already downloaded the VLC app from the App Store, and if I open it for the first time, you'll see that there aren't any files actually residing in the app. So we need to put the Caleb and Sophia or other videos that you have into VLC for iOS. Now, as mentioned before, I have some videos already stored in the Documents by Readle app. So I'm going to go over into that app because I can shoot them directly over to VLC right from Documents. To do that, I'll go to the folder that contains the videos, and I'll tap on Edit in the upper right hand corner. Now I'll select the video that I'd like to send to VLC. Now I'm going to tap on Open In, and it's going to bring up my Open In menu, and I'm going to select Open in VLC. So it's going to shoot this video right over into the VLC app where you now see it displayed. Alright, so that's one way to get videos into VLC from another app, but you might also want to download them directly from JWorg, and VLC allows you to do that. So if you go here into the upper left, this little cone icon, it'll open up our menu to the left, and we're going to tap on Downloads. Alright, so it wants to know where we want to download the video from. So we need to grab the URL or the link to the video from Safari at jw.org. So we'll go over here back into jw.org. We'll choose whatever video we'd like to save. How about this one, Forgive Freely? And if we look at this page here, you notice right away that there's different resolutions that you can download. For example, it says 240p 360. That's how big the file size is and how much quality the video will have. I like to stick to the smaller ones so I can store more on my iPad. So I'm going to select 240, and I'm going to tap and hold on that. Here we get this menu that pops up showing us that URL, or the link to the video. So I'm going to tap Copy here. Now I'll go back over into VLC, and I'm going to paste that in right there. So you notice that it's got that MP4 at the end, which is our video. So we'll tap Download now, and watch what happens. Alright, very quickly it downloads the video, and now if we go over into All Files, we now have that new video ready to go. So let's do this for a couple more, and I'll be right back after I've done that. Okay, so now I have 6 videos that I've downloaded from jw.org. In order to have these play continuously, we need to put them in a folder. So to do that, I'm going to again select Edit at the top here, and I'm going to choose the videos that I'd like to put into the folder. You can see they all get this check mark. And then at the bottom left, there's a folder icon. So I'll tap that. It's going to ask us what I want to call that. So I'm going to select Caleb video, hit save. And now we have all the videos in this folder. So we can tap on the folder here and we see all the videos. So I'll just grab this first video here and I'll start playing it. Alright, so there we go. The video is playing in VLC for iOS. Now this is going to go through each successive video in the folder until it's through them all. I'll show you what I mean by that. If I fast forward to the end of the video here, watch what happens. It immediately starts playing the next video in the folder. I'll go and fast forward through that one. And it goes right to the next video. So this is the default setup for VLC for iOS. It'll just continue to play videos in that folder until it reaches the end, and then it stops. In order to have it continuously loop without ever ending, we need to flip a switch. And that's found at the bottom right-hand corner. So watch what I do here. I'm going to tap on the screen to get the controls to come up. And I'm going to tap on this ellipsis at the bottom right. And we have our repeat icon here that looks like two arrows going around in a circle. We can repeat the same video once, or we can select it to give us that little red box on those arrows. Now it's going to continuously loop through the videos without ever ending. So this is a nice way to use VLC for iOS to loop through the Caleb and Sophia videos or other videos on JWorg. One other thing I want to show you is how to download the videos from JW Broadcast in the same way. For example, there are a lot of videos that are music videos that are nice to have on continuous loop throughout the day. So let's go over into Safari and we'll go to tv.jw.org. We'll go to Video on Demand at the top. And we'll scroll down to Music Videos, tap on that. And we've got our original songs, Sing to Jehovah, different categories here. I'd like to do the original songs, and a really cool thing that has been added on JW TV now is the ability to download right from the website. So if I tap on Glad I Passed the Test, the first one here, now we have this download button, which is new. So we'll tap on download. It's going to ask us again what resolution we'd like. And I'll tap and hold on the one I want, which is 240. Hit copy. I'll switch back to VLC Player. Go back into my downloads menu. Now here the URL that I copied is already populated. So I tap download now. And it's going to download the video. Alright, so let's make sure it did by going back into all files. Okay, so we've got our Caleb folder and now we've got this new video. Let's grab another one here. Maybe give you my all. Tap download. Tap and hold on 240 or whatever resolution you'd like. Copy that. Switch over to VLC. Go to the downloads page. It's already populated that, and we'll tap download again. Now we'll go back over into all files, and I want to put these into a folder, so I'm going to tap edit, select the videos. When I tap on folder here, it wants to know if I'd like to put them in a folder I've already created. For example, the Caleb video folder. If I don't want to use one I've already created but want to do a new one, I just tap the folder icon again. And this time I'm going to call it Music Videos and hit Save. So now I have two folders, the music videos and the Caleb and Sophia videos. So I'll go back into my music videos, start playing one, and we'll see if it goes to the next one by default. Fast forward to the end there. Alright, and it goes right into the next one. So that's a nice way to use VLC Player to endlessly loop videos from JW.org. This has been appchasers.com.